Carnival. Osborn's camped out here somewhere in this rotted alley of nightmares. But I'll find him. Him and the fragments he's collected.
He's after those rocks we've been bringing you. First, he got Vulture and Hammerhead, and now he's headed here. I'm telling you, Mr. Osborn, the Spider-Man is coming.
Do you take me for a fool?
What?
I want him to come. Let the spider fall into my web. The other fragments made Hammerhead and Vulture more powerful. Let's see what this one does for me.
I've waited a long time for this, Osborn. Tonight, your criminal empire ends.
Welcome, Spider-Man. Look around. Know where you are.
A demilitarized zone?
The Carnival where I once starred in the Freak Show many years ago. The perfect place to begin my revenge.
Great idea.
But when I came back, I had to relocate the current employees to more temporary lodgings. And I do mean temporary. I have this unfortunate tendency to kill things when I'm bored. You'll see.
Wrong, Goblin. Because I'm gonna find him, and I'm gonna save him. Then I'm gonna find you and put you down like the wild dog you are. And last but not least, I'm gonna bring back the fragment, starting now. Sleepy time, scumbag. There are people in danger all over the place here.
Save me!
99. There. Now, part of my great responsibility bit is getting folks out of jams.
Save me! Somebody save me!
There are people. Nap time! Didn't see that coming, did you? Give me whatever I got! Get me out! Save me, Spider-Man!
Spider-Man, I don't know how to thank you. How about an egg sandwich?
Look, up there!
Son of a...
Spider-Man, right over there!
This is not what I foresaw.
There are people in danger all over the place here.
Please, I'm begging you, get me out!
There are people in danger all over the place here.
You're the best!
Congratulations. You risked your life to save some blubbering imbecile who's probably just as scared of you as they are of you. Was it worth it?
I'll give you whatever I got if you get me out.
Come on, what do you got?
I'm trapped. Do something. Save me. Somebody save me.
It's a celebration.
Hey, I'm trapped. Do something.
Get that guy!
Ah, horse.
Men, I told you not to let him get you.
Thanks, Spider-Man. You're aces.
Abandon all. Ye who enter here. Abandon all. Ye who enter here.
Cheery.
Abandon all hope. Ye who enter here.
You make it sound so
Behold! The goblin in all his glory. Stronger, more powerful!
And that hair, it's scarier than ever.
I'll give you something to be scared of. The more you hit me, the more you feed my rage! You're pathetic, and you thought you could beat me. Ha! Give it your best shot, then. If you can, come and get your superior, the Goblin victorious.
Seems the Goblin Victorious forgot to pay his electric bill. Oh, applesauce. Right in the kisser.
Come on, you won't get it! Whoa! Bring it down!
I'll dish it out all night. How about a little chin?
He don't... He don't... Get him harder! I'll bring him down! No!
Let me teach you. You're putting up more of a fight this time. I like that.
Give you whatever I got. Get me out!
Nap time.
He's mocking me.
I'm begging you. Get me out!
Did you see Osborn?
I'll do whatever I can.
Now we're in business.
Is the weak and worthless pass.
Time to hoof it. Ready or not, Osborn, here I come. Nuts.
Idiots! I'm surrounded.
He couldn't have gotten away.
It's Spider-Man!
Nuts.
He got away. I don't see him anywhere.
You don't look so good. Sleep it off.
You are left. I want to let out.
That'll shut you up. Not what I need.
No rush, Spider-Man. There are only multiple dimensions to save.
Punks like you are dime a dozen.
Please, you gotta get me out. My mom, she's sick, real sick.
Oh, there we go. Time to dust this place. Ah, crumbs. And some for you.
You're making this too easy for him.
Release me this instant! This ain't legal!
Next time, look behind you.
This is outrageous! Hey, this ain't legal! I'm a lawyer, I know! I'll help you find Osborn.
Thanks, pal. Now breeze off.
Step right out. The haunted house awaits. I promise. Welcome. Welcome to my house.
Phew. All these grinning faces are creeping me out. It's like an advertisement for hell. Hey, Chuckles, open wide. Not that one either. Oh, better try again. Fast. That'll get you to flap your jaw. Say hi to your dentist for me. Well, this is certainly a twist. Okay, either I've flipped my wig, or this room is... Oh, yeah! So many bad guys, so many times. I'll smack you down. Next.
You don't even got a gun.
We done yet? That's all. Invited Mount Ugly. Come on, what you got? Right in the kiss. right in the kisser. The bigger they... I keep telling you, Osborn, you gotta pay your electric bill.
Get some lights on him. Now! Find him and shoot him!
Better grab the shadows. If I wanted to be on the spotlight, I'd have gone into show business. Oh, deja vu. What am I, going around in circles? Will this ever end? What's that sound? Oh, more gas. Better find a way out of here before they're measuring me for a wooden kimono. Something tells me that was the wrong door. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Yeah. Not that one either. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Finally.
Not so fast!
I guess he, couldn't take what I was dishing out.
I'll have my revenge! I'll tear this place down with my bare hands if I have to!
Wait, he's not gonna... Is he? Could he? He is, he could, and he did.
Oh no! Help! Good Lord, such rage!
He must have really hated that ride. Okay, wish me luck.
What was that?
You think you're so high and mighty? Where were people like you when I was growing up in the freak show? Capering in the straw for the amusement of the faces pressed against the bars.
I'll have my revenge! I'll tear this place down with my bare hands if I have to!
Wait, he's not gonna... Is he? Could he? He could, and he did.
Oh no! Help!
must have really hated that ride. Okay, wish me luck.
What was that?
Here he comes. The self-appointed protector of the innocent. The savior. The downtrodden. Look at him, folks. Doesn't he just reek of heroism? Or is it something else? Is it fear?
Are you gonna stand there babbling all night, or are we gonna end this? That's me.
He's too powerful. You have no chance engaging him head-on.
My Uncle Ben had an old saying, Osborn, and you're full of it. Shove it, Osborn.
Well, this is...
You must use the shadows to your advantage. Osborn is too powerful to fight directly.
I'm gonna beat...
Listen to yourself. Do you know how crazy you are?
Coming your way.
Someone needs to shut you up, and I'm the guy to do it.
When I'm done with you, you'll be a smith.
Give it a rest, Osborn.
Look sharp. Just die already! I'll break you to... I'll have your head! I won't let you stop me. My revenge at hand.
You keep riding me, then you can pay the fare.
Well, this is nice and atmospheric. I'm disappointed, Spider. Power's back, and there's nowhere left for you to hide. Stop.
Get behind! Come on! What do you got? I wipe my nose with punks like you.
Come on! You wanna fight me like a man or what? All this fight
And some for you. That's enough out of you. Kill you. Get around him. Looks like you were done. You guys put the thug.
That protuberance on his back looks sensitive. Try that.
Right in the kiss. Say uncle. Coming, yo.
You bastard.
Let's finish. Right in the kiss.
You.
It's over for you.
Look for areas of weakness.
Back in the cage, eh? Back to the freak show.
Oh